So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, if you are a fresher and looking for an exciting opportunity in test automation, so Oracle is hiring for an associate test automation engineer in Bengaluru. So, if you have a 0 to 2 years of experience and knowledge of automation tools like Selenium, then this might be the perfect jobs for you. Let's dive into the details. So let's dive deep into it and understand the entire process. So coming to the JD, as you can see that they have mentioned preferred skill sets required for this role, which is you should have a strong analytical and presentation skills. Along with that, you must have the knowledge of software development lifecycle and testing methodologies. That is, they have mentioned HTL, CST, LC, etc. Also, you must have the basic knowledge of programming languages like Java, Python, SQL, or other used in test automation frameworks. Along with that, you must have the familiarity with testing tools like Selenium or Eggplant. Either of them is fine. Also, they are expecting you to have version control system knowledge, for example, Git pipelines like CI/CD pipeline, etc. Also, along with that, they have mentioned that you should have the skill sets of different types of bug life cycles are there in testing methodologies. So if you have some basic requirement, basic knowledge of all these particular skill sets, then you are good to go for this role. Let's come to the responsibility section in this particular role. If you get selected for this role, so you'll be involved in all these kind of responsibilities. Let me break down into it. So you will be a part of a project where you will analyze data and develop quality solutions. Along with that, your task will be to involving around automation testings, writing test scripts, and ensuring software quality, running it on different test cases to check the quality of the code. You will also collaborate with different teams to implement Oracle's technology solutions. They have mentioned the basic required skills, as you can see, which is automation testing and Selenium. So you must have the basic knowledge of Selenium to be eligible for this particular role. So now let's come to the point that why one should join at Oracle. So what you would be getting at Oracle is that global career opportunities, diverse and inclusive work environment. Along with that, you will also get competitive employee benefits like health insurance, retirement benefits, and many more. Along with that, you will also be involved into many social and volunteer activities. So, if you are passionate about automation testing and want to grow in career in top tech companies like Oracle, so don't miss this opportunity. The link to apply would be mentioned in the description. Share this video with your friends who are looking for jobs in automation testing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more job updates. That's it for today. See you in the next video.